this evening and overnight, especially across the southern half of the lake. Strong winds and locally elevated waves are possible. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Friday. Southerly gale force gusts are expected on Saturday, and the gale warning is in effect. Here is information on a high wind warning for the following counties in Wisconsin: Kenosha, Milwaukee, Racine, Walworth, and Waukesha. What? For the high wind warning, south winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. For the wind advisory, southwest winds 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected. Where? Kenosha, Milwaukee, Racine, Walworth, and Waukesha counties. When? For the high wind warning, from 7 a.m. to noon Saturday. For the wind advisory, from noon to 5 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down tree branches. Power outages may occur. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Here is a statement regarding a wind advisory for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dodge, Fond du Lac, Jefferson, Ozark, and Washington. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected. Where? Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Columbia, Dane, Greene, Rock, Dodge, Jefferson, Ozaukee, and Washington counties. When? From 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. Now for the official national